Alan Solarsh here, the passive income guru. In this video is going to explain to you how to put WhatsApp on your laptop or iPad or tablet, which is absolutely essential if you want to be building a massive team. You know that I'ma do it right. So let me explain to you how to do it. There's two ways to do it. Either you can have it in your browser. So what you would do is you would say, go to WhatsApp. Let's go here again, web.whatsapp.com. That allows you to have WhatsApp in a browser. This is a browser window. It's like your internet, basically. So when you get to this website, it's going to have a barcode over here, which is asking you to scan WhatsApp from your phone. So what it wants to do is it wants to transfer WhatsApp from your phone onto the computer. So I'm just going to open up my phone here. So this is my phone on the right hand side, and I'm going to open up WhatsApp. And on the bottom right hand corner over here, this is on an Apple phone. I'm not sure where it is on an Android. You need to find it in your settings. Sometimes it's at the top here with three little lines. Just click it and then you'll find the settings. So click on the settings icon, and what you want to look for is you want to look for web app, web desktop. Okay, and you want to open that application, and now it's opened a camera on the phone. So as you see, I've got my camera in my hand. So we're just going to hold the camera up to so that the camera can take the picture of that barcode. And now what it's going to start doing is it's going to sync your phone to the web application. Okay, so now you'd need to have the web application open all the time for you to be able to work on WhatsApp on the computer. So as you can see, a lot of the stuff has started to render now, but the phone still says that it's still disconnected. Now what you need to be doing is, if you're working, this usually only works on Wi-Fi, so your computer needs to be connected in a Wi-Fi zone. So I'm just going to make sure that my computer is connected to both the same connections in both my Apple and on my computer. So as you can see, it's connected to the same internet, which is great. There's a lot of information on my phone, so it can take up to 15 minutes for my phone to sync with the browser. So we'll just wait for that to happen, and when it does, I'll show you exactly what the situation is. So as you can see, my message has now gone away, and I'm able to now send messages through my phone. So let's just send a test message. So I'll just send a test message to Simone. So let me just search for Simone. If you don't know, Simi is my wife, and we do business together. And she's also in the Atlantic with us. She just got other things to do, so I'm the one that does everything in Atlantic. Cool. So there's Simone. Let's just that's my new hairstyle that we're thinking of doing, and let's just say hi. Okay, and we're going to press enter. Okay, that was done on the phone. So as you can see, it renders now on the computer. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say hi on the computer, just testing. Okay, and there you can see that the messages appeared on, where's my phone? There we go, there's the phone. Hi, just testing. So this is the phone, this is the web application, and now what I'm doing is I'm now working on the computer, which is fabulous. Okay, so now I can type fast, I can copy and paste my messages from Evernote. So if I go to Evernote and I've got something to say, I can just like go over here, copy it, Control-C to copy, go back to the web application, and then just paste it in here, and then it's sent and it's received, which is great. Okay, so that's how you do it to have WhatsApp in a web browser. Now what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you how to have it as a standalone application, which means that you need to download a program to your computer, which is much better. Now, the reason it's much better is because then you don't have to have the internet browser open all the time. So what you would need to do is you go to whatsapp.com, and there on the home page it says here Android, iPhone, Mac or Windows, Windows Phone. Okay, so it's asking you what computer you have. So if you've got an iPhone, so we don't want it on the iPhone because we already got it on the iPhone. We want it on the computer. So you either want it on Mac or Windows. So you're going to click on Mac or Windows, and it's going to take you to the next page, which is the download section. Okay, so that you can download the application to your computer, and you'll then choose what you want to do. So this is already it's very intelligent, and it already knows that I'm on a Mac computer. So it says here download for Mac OS X, and you just click on the download button. If you're on a Windows machine, it'll say the download for Windows. You'll download the application. The download will then be in your download folder. Okay, so you need to go to your download folder and then just double click the folder, open up the folder, look for the .exe for a Windows machine. That's an executable file, which means that program will now be installed on your computer. Follow the prompts, install the application onto your computer. For a Mac machine, it's a .dmg file. You need to drag that file over into the applications folder. It'll install automatically. Just follow the prompts, install the application, and when the application is installed, you can open it. Now that you've got the application installed on your computer, okay, and you open the application on your computer, you can now, it'll come up with a bar, that special a barcode, and you would need to scan it on your computer. So on your computer, on the bottom right hand side, there's the settings button. So if you're on chats, let's just go to chats. Let's show you how I get there. In the bottom right hand corner, there's the settings file. I'm not sure where it is on a Windows, on an Android machine. You just need to look around for it. Click all the little buttons and anything that's on your screen that looks strange to find the settings. Okay, then click on web.whatsapp, and then scan. Pick up your phone and scan the picture that's shown on the screen. And obviously the same process will happen as I explained to you with the browser. Okay, so it's now transferring the information from your computer. It's now syncing your phone to the application on your computer, and you'll be able to work on your computer. So it takes, as I said, 15 minutes or so, sometimes quicker, for everything to render nicely on the computer. And when it does, you can start operating like a professional and do things very, very quickly, which is the right way to operate. You need to obviously save as much time as possible and get your business working in a systematic manner. Okay, and I found that doing it this way is the most systematic, and it works very, very well. So go ahead and download that application to your computer, and follow the steps in this video, and we'll go on to the next step, which is the most exciting part, which is going to show you exactly how to explode your business and get those between 30 to 100 personals into your business in the next 30 days. And I'll see you on the next video. You know that I'ma do it right.